What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new video for you today on a 2020 Ram 1500. This truck is getting a 6-inch Zone Lift Kit with the Zone struts. This is the first time that I've seen these in person. I'm very excited about this one. We're doing a set of 22 by 12 Fuel Rebar wheels in the black and milled finish with a set of 35 1250/22 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires. You guys know how excited I get whenever we put these tires on trucks. It just makes the videos look so much better to me. The tires ride amazing. They get a good mileage warranty. Everybody loves them. And for whatever reason, they're just so aggressive looking on the sidewall that they look good on everything you put them on. I'm about to get out and show you what this truck looks like. I'm super excited about it. Stay tuned. And this is another one to add to the Ram 1500 playlist. That's another good, exciting thing for me. Here's our beautiful 2020 Ram 1500. This is a Laramie truck. Has the silver paint, looks amazing on here with the chrome accents. That black and milled Fuel Rebar wheel that we're putting on here is going to tie in really nicely. It's going to have that silver edge on the edge of the spoke. It's going to tie real nicely with the trim on the truck. This is a nice one. Can't wait to add another truck to the Ram 1500 playlist. They really do look good. There's just not as many people out there for whatever reason that are lifting Rams like they are GMs. At least not as many people that I talk to. Truck looks really good on the inside. You know, I like black leather on the inside of a truck a lot. It's a really, really good one. They do have a nice interior in Ram. Big, huge screen. We're about to get this one pulled in right now and get it started. Stay tuned for the process, and thanks for watching. Like that, our 2020 Ram 1500 is ready to go. This truck got the 6-inch Zone Off-Road Lift Kit with the preloaded struts. It's It's an amazing value. I love the price of this lift kit. I love the way it looks on the truck. The functionality of it's great. It's made by BDS, who's owned by Fox. This is a great setup on this truck. We did the 35, 12, 50, 22 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires. They are amazing. And the 22x12 Fuel Rebar wheels look great as well. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck turned out like. So here's our beautiful 2020 Ram Laramie 1500. The truck turned out amazing. It's a great stance. It's good for everyday driving. You can still get in and out of drive-thrus with this truck with no problem. I love it. Start out with the lift kit. This is the, like I just said, 6-inch Zone right here. Zone is a department of BDS. The same company, comes out of the same warehouse and everything, same factory. This is a really, really nice value. I'm not really downgrading the rough country, but the problem with this kit was, or this truck, the guy wanted a rough country to begin with, and they didn't have it. So I was like, hey man, let me look around and see what I can come up with. And I had forgotten that Zone even did anything with the Rams, and they had this kit sitting right there on the shelf, and I was like, man, this thing's nice. I said it has the preloaded struts with it, which means you don't have to use your factory spring and shock, and you don't have to put that big spacer on top. You can just put this new strut, comes pre-assembled. It's a great value. The angles are second to none on that kit. Drive shaft angle, or I'm sorry, CV shaft angles. Perfect, that's exactly what you want. There's the strut again. Just awesome looking. Great value too for what it is. The tire and wheel we did, 35, 12, 50, 22, Toyo Open Country RT Pro. The tire is very, very aggressive, has very, very big sidewall lugs on it. 45,000 mile warranty. The tire is very smooth and quiet for a mud tire. Toyos also come with a 45-day ride guarantee, which is great. This is the 22x12 Fuel Rebar wheel in the gloss black and milled finish. Fuel's a great company at a great price too. Looks awesome on the truck. Here's the overall look of the truck once it was done. The stance is great. Wheels poke out a good bit from the truck, but not too much. If you have any questions about this truck, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. I would prefer a phone call over an email or a comment. It's just hard to keep up, but I'm here every day, Monday through Friday, 8 to 6 at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. I'm going to attach a quote for this build right after this clip, so if you're interested in what it would cost, there will be a sheet for that. Any other questions, just shoot me a call, and I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you.